Dressing better can instantly make you feel more confident, powerful, and focused. Here are 7 easy ways to dress better and elevate your style. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tucking in your shirt is one of the easiest ways to look instantly more put together. It defines your waistline, giving clean lines and structure to your outfit. Next, use accessories to add polish and personality to your look. Try starting with one item like a leather belt, analog watch, jewelry like cufflinks, or even interesting socks and build from there. Clothes that don't fit well always end up looking sloppy, so review your clothes in a full-length mirror and take your favorite pieces to a tailor if they need it. Layering is both practical and adds visual interest. An easy way to start is by layering a jacket or overshirt over an otherwise basic outfit. A well-chosen color palette can elevate your style and make an outfit pop. Try monochrome for a sleek modern look, neutrals for a classic and versatile look, or get experimental with bright color blocking or harmonious hues. Mixing textures is often overlooked but adds tactile depth to your outfit. For instance, create edgy contrast with leather and cashmere, or amp up the cozy vibe with corduroy and tweed. And finally, a polished outfit won't help if you have bad grooming. Regular haircuts, tidy facial hair, and neat nails all contribute to a refined look. A regular skincare routine and a subtle fragrance are the final touches. Anything we missed? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.